ain't the kind of shit you can't sweep under no rug, you know? Be real! Town is the village and you're just a koala bear. So whenever I'm sidestepping, cover your head like a dingo. Them she lads been waiting for this, suckers been hating for this. You know why? Because so many are relating to this. Jealous is how they feel it intentionally, but they start to love it because I made it eventually. Drop kick the music, I keep the music like a spiral kick. Cause town's villains ain't in here for nothing. I keep the average crowd jumping, yo. You know the color, them white fellas and black fellas always down to make noise and be all gammon. He's all so you better get back unless you wanna come with it and make it big, you know. Like a target and close your eyes when I bowl you over. You're crying foul with fear, but it's with fear that you're trying to milk a penalty. You're waking up in the sweat. Cause Townsville Cowboys is giving you bad dreams. And I'm not scheming, I'm just telling the facts. That's how it is when TSV starts to run in and break the defense. So the other team that don't want to run it straight against is squeezing inside, stepping a half to laugh with me. Especially asking the ref to go to the video ref. I just snatched the rugby ball to score a try. Give you the middle finger. Cause when it comes to Townsville, North Queensland Cowboys, there's no comparison. And if you try to be us, it's quite embarrassing. But I understand cause you're mentally slow. Cause I can tell from your body language you're too dumb and stupid, you idiot, to go.
Running straight, take the hit up, yeah, and you're too deadly. Which way, same way, that's so bala me galoo. Townsville Cowboys back and they about to attack. Running straight, take the hit up, yeah, and you're too deadly. Which way, same way, that's so bala me galoo. Townsville Cowboys back and they about to attack.
Let me break their defense there. Right back. I can tell that you're afraid to tackle me simple because you lost the crowd and they had to applause and shout for me because your supporters are no support, but there's a support for us. I'm a threat, so start making them tackles and breaks and pull up your socks and top your rugby boots and clean the dirt off your face that causes zero. Egg on your head. And losing to us is like getting the duck, quack, quack, quack. It's ridiculous thinking that you can take the ball and run straight. This is the round where the punch will go into your HEADTSV rules. You better believe that's known as a blow. I'm making this play, but it's the play that I'm making. Like, see, I'm hating the faking. I keep the suckers like shaking, scared to speak with a thought when they're chosen. The sound of my voice in the ear and they frozen. This is a battle to the death. It's like the same you big ol' out against a brother on a tip with the Eastern brown snake. Giving the pain, but it's with pain that I'm giving. But I'm comparing and tearing them, but I'm making a living with the hype of a prop and forwards vote battery. And the odds for me to conquer is averagely good at meaning I'm afloat. I'm from North Queensland, Townsville, so I'm ready to go.
Running straight, take the hit up, yeah, and you're too deadly. Which way, same way, that's so bala me galoo.
Yo, DJ, let my night.
Townsville Cowboys back and they about to attack.
Man, what you gonna do now? Start cheating and start a fight. Go figure. The do not disturb sign is in effect. While I'm thinking of you being a small budo to select to give these gammon key ones the verdict. So there's more of these gammon key ones. Slamming my vocals in their face with the rest. Then I tackle them and dump them in the ground.
I took the wind out of him, brush.
Tell them they're guilty and peep out the bailer and get at the reserve bench so I can play with scared and fear. Pumping it loud when I run in and make them hits on the field. Yo, you wanna play in my game? Put on a North Queensland Townsville Cowboys jersey. It ain't a rule in the book you have to go by. Hey, cause when it comes to cheating, yo, you should know I for fear in the hearts, cause it's the heart's full of fear. Cause what you hear in your ear is something too deadly, my bruh.
What up, Drew?
The crocodile was incredible, yo, but DJ Lanight was super. But now I'm ruthless. Black fellas and white fellas are not a trooper, but a soldier with a top ranking. Giving dope material, the hell with the ganking. So play like an e-scooter and just cruise and keep your blood pressure low. Cause I'm a threat, cause if not, I'm afraid of the show that you're a sucker and you're too nervous to go. You know how them go.